answer it just in case others had the same question or something similar. And the question is, find it. Okay. Buyer asked me about my assignment fee. Do you tell closing? So there's two answers to this. One is yes and one is no. So if you are assigning a contract to your assignment fee, so but you don't tell them that during a negotiation period. So let's just say if I have a property that I'm going to sell and the buyer says, you know, I'll offer you 105 for the property and you want it 110. Well, naturally, you don't want to automatically agree to that 105. You want to agree to that, try and get them to that 110, 108, 109. You don't want to settle for something less. So if your buyer asks you about your assignment fee, that's none of their business, you know, at the moment. Until they sign that assignment agreement contract, then you guys can discuss that assignment agreement. So what you may want to consider is just knowing that buyer in the beginning and saying, hey, you know what, I do have something on the top of this, which they understand because they're trying to make money and you are too. So you let them know, hey, I got something on top of this. Yeah, you might negotiate, but you don't want to cut yourself considerably. So number two, so that's the question to the first part, which is yes. Yes, your buyer will end up knowing your assignment agreement because you're going to sign that contract and all of that has to be disclosed. Now, part two, if you're making a significant amount on your contract, let's just say you find this sweet deal and you're going to make $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on the deal. No, you don't tell your buyer that you're making that much on the property, and it will not be disclosed because you're going to do a double escrow on that. So to answer the question, my buyer asked me about my assignment agreement. Do you tell your buyer your assignment fee before closing? Absolutely not. So no, you don't want to tell your buyer that. Hey, cuz, hey, Barb, hey, Elizabeth, signing off here, but you can catch me every Tuesday and every Friday if you want to learn more about real estate investing. Okay, guys, always remember to enjoy the journey.